What's up, YouTube? What's up, YouTube? This your boy Legion back with another video. You already know what day it is. Throw them dogs up. Throw them dogs up. Y'all see who we got on the thumbnail today? King Von, dog. Rest in peace, King Von, dog. For some of you those don't know, I acted in one of King Von video. Him and featuring King Von featuring what's her name? Asian Doll. I was in that video, dog. If you ain't know, yeah, I'm in there. Go back and watch that video. Matter of fact, I'm gonna leave a link in the description below to go watch that video. But rest in peace, King Von, dog. For real. Dude was cold, crazy storyteller. But you already know, man. Like this video, subscribe to the channel if you ain't already. We gonna get into it. King Von story. Alright, so now we're gonna jump into this hook, King Von style. Let's get it. Von. Oh yeah. Von. Hey, got a text, it was from the bro, say he tryna meet. Got a drop on the flexin' nigga, heard his pockets deep. Got a text, it was from the bro, say he tryna meet. Got a drop on the flexin' nigga, heard his pockets deep. And that's how he come on there and used to kill that for real, no cap. Okay, so now we're gonna jump into them ad-libs. Let's get it. Yeah. Oh yeah. Von. Let's get it. Oh yeah. Real quick. Alright, so now we're gonna look at this vocal chain and we're gonna listen to this playback. You feel me? So this is what I got for my auto-tune. Go ahead and get that. Go ahead and get that. This is what I got for my delay. Go ahead and get that. Go ahead and get that. Alright, now we're going to get to the best part, y'all. Y'all ready? Y'all know how Von do. Y'all know how Von do, so I had to come with it. Let's ride.
Von. Let's go. Oh yeah. Escobar on the beat. Von. Hey, got a text, it was from the bro. Say he tryna meet. Got a drop on the flexin' nigga, heard his pockets deep. Got a text, it was from the bro. Say he tryna meet. Got a drop on the flexin' nigga, heard his pockets deep. I look down, open up the message, bro. Say he outside. Grab my mask and my Glockiana, cause it's time to slide. Now we gone, we done up the street. Boy, it's time to meet. And lil' bro in the back, talking about he wants something to eat. Bro, you goofy, we got shit to do. And you talking about food. All I know, better show me what that fucking Draco do. Now we here, about to win the trophy shooter of the year. I get right, clutching on my shit and looking in the mirror. But hold on, who the fuck is that slowing up in that Tahoe? They better keep it moving, I'ma fill it up with hollows. It's 11:58 and boy, they closer than tomorrow. I'm about to up this shit, bitch, fuck, bro, that's 5-0. Got a text, it was from the bro, say he tryna meet. Got a drop on the flexin' nigga, heard his pockets deep. Got a text, it was from the bro, say he tryna meet. Got a drop on the flexin' nigga, heard his pockets deep. Oh yeah.
And that's how King Von used to come so hard with the storytelling, bro. This nigga storytelling was so crazy, bro. You feel me? Boy, if you like this video, like it, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you hit that bell to be notified for the next video. Cause we back, baby. And I want to say once again, dog, rest in peace to King Von, man. Rest in peace to King Von. That dude was so fire, it was about to blow. Blow. You feel me? I hate that happened to me. And I done had experience with this dude, a real genuine dude, dog. Fuck with him. Definitely. But yeah, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and you know where to be at next week. On Wednesday. Cause we back.